GMT Pointing Specialist Limited here. Feel free to subscribe and click the notification button. Right, that's all that out of the way. Right, I've put a couple of samples in the wall, 3 different colours there, just for us to decide what colour we're going to go for. It's okay using a colour chart, but it needs to be in the wall. I've started up there, but you can see it's lighter. I'm about to just give that a quick mist over and then put my hessian sacking on it and then pack up for the day. I've packed my gin wheel rope away because they get pinched all the time, and as you can see there, I've got my pop-ups, so I'm not standing on ladders. It's just a little frame that you put in the scaffolding. You can stand quite nicely in between lifts. Any questions, or if you want any advice, just please give me a message, and if you want me to do a video on anything, if you let me know. You know, I'm willing to help beginners out. There's no problem with that. Thank you.